Good morning, Bitcoin traders. We have that opening bell intraday. Today is Sunday. We have a 4,000 point down move. We had warned everybody right here when we were approaching below that 60,000, 52,000 mark that that was the make or break, and you got to rally off of the Trump convention, and now you're giving that whole rally right back up. Look for lower lows in BTC. We have to tell you, sign up because we trade MicroStrategy. MSTR is a way to trade Bitcoin and make more money even. So once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't you hesitate. Don't you wait. Let's take the next step. We know that working with each other intraday, we make great decisions. We call you out to join that live trading room here today. Bitcoin going down.